Now we'll be starting another topic, quadratic equation. See, quadratic means it has degree 2. So degree means 2, that it is a variable should have its highest power 2. So a quadratic equation is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Since it is an equation, it should be equals to 0. So if it is a form x की power 2 plus 2x plus 1, then it is a quadratic equation. If we write an equation 1 minus 2x minus x square, this is also a quadratic equation because the highest power of this equation is 2, and it can be written as x square plus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0 because it can be converted it in this form. So the degree of the variable should be in the decreasing order, that is 2, 1 and 0. So the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and we represent all the quadratic equations in this form. So first we have to represent the situations mathematically. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. So if John has x marbles, Jivanti would be having 45 minus x marbles because total is 45. Now both of them lost 5 marbles each. After losing, so he lost x minus 5, and therefore it will become 45 minus x minus 5, which is 40 minus x. And the product of the numbers now, so x minus 5 and 40 minus x is 124. Now open the brackets. Minus x square plus 5x is equals to 124. So minus x square plus 45x is equals to 324. Therefore our equation becomes x square minus 45x plus 324 is equals to 0. This we have represented it in the form of mathematically. Second, a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each day was found to be 5 minus the number of toys produced in a day. So if number of toys produced in a day was x, therefore cost of production each day was 55 minus the number of toys, and total cost of production, since number of toys into cost of production would be the total cost, which is 750. Therefore 55x minus x square is equals to 750, or we can write x square minus 55x plus 750 is equals to 0. Next, check whether the following are quadratic equations. We simply open the bracket, simplify the equation, and if it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, therefore it will be a quadratic equation. Now we already know the identity a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So open the brackets. Plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 3. So x square minus 6x 5 plus 3 is 8. Since it is in the form of ax square plus bx, so therefore yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now simplify. X square minus a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So I have written a square minus b square. Now x square, it will come here, x square minus x square will become 0. X plus 12 is equals to 0. So since it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, it is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. Next, now open the brackets. 2x square plus 3x is equals to x square plus 1. It will come here. So it will become x square plus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So open the brackets here. X cube plus 8 plus 3 to the 6, 6x square plus 3 into 4 is 12x is equals to x cube minus 4. X cube gets cancelled, so 6x square plus 12x plus 12 is 0. Take 6 common, x square plus 2x plus 2 is 0. Therefore x square plus 2x plus 2 is 0. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now exercise 4.1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. Simply a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Open this. So x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So yes, it is a quadratic equation because the highest power of this equation is 2. X square minus 2x is equals to 2x minus 6. X square minus 4x plus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore, yes. Next, a minus b, this is x plus a. X plus b is equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Therefore, we'll open the brackets. It will become minus x minus 2 is equals to x square plus 2x minus 3. So x square will come here, it will get cancelled out. So this equation will become 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, no. Now simply binomial into binomial because both the expressions are different. 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3 is equals to x square plus 5x. Then here 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus 10x minus 3 is 0. Yes, therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Now, 2x square minus x minus 6x plus 3 is equals to x square plus 4x minus 5. 2x square minus x square is x square minus 7x minus 4x is minus 11x. 8 is equals to 0. Therefore, yes. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x square plus 4 minus 4x. X square gets cancelled out. 7x minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, no, it is not. The highest power is 1. A plus b whole cube is equals to 2x square minus 1. So, open the bracket. X cube plus 8 plus formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So 3 into 2 is 6, 6x square plus 3 into 4 is 12x is equals to 2x cube minus 2x. So here x cube will go there, x cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 is also, therefore no, it is a cubic polynomial equation. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to x cube. Now a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. So minus 6x square plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12x. So x cube gets x cube cancels out. It becomes 2x square minus 13x plus 9 is equals to 0. Therefore, yes. Now, area of a rectangular plot is this. Area of a rectangular plot is length into breadth. Length is, if breadth is x, therefore length becomes 1 more than twice the breadth. So length is 2x plus 1 and area is 2x plus 1 into x, which is equals to 528. So the equation becomes 2x square plus x minus 528 is equals to 0. Next, product of two consecutive integers is 306. See, these are two consecutive positive integers. If one number is x, so consecutive, the other will be x plus 1, and the product means multiply, which is equals to 306. So x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. This will be our mathematical quadratic equation. Next, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. If Rohan is x years old, mother will be x plus 26 years old because she is 26 years elder. Product of their age is 3 years from now. So after 3 years, both will be elder by 3 years. So x plus 3 and mother will be x plus 26 plus 3, which is equals to x plus 29, and their product is 360. So simply x square plus 29 plus 3 is 32x plus 87 is equal to 360. So our equation becomes x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Next, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a certain uniform speed. So total distance is 480 km. Let speed be x kilometers per hour. If speed would have been 8 km per hour less, it would take is equals to distance upon time. Therefore, time is equals to distance upon speed, and distance is 480. Therefore, 480 upon x. Time is 480 upon x. Now, speed is 8 km per hour less. It would take 3 hours more. So, time was this 3 hours more. But the distance will remain the same. So, speed into time is distance. So, distance remains the same. So, if we open these brackets, so it will become minus 8 8 is 64 32 upon x plus 3x minus 24. So 480 gets cancelled out. Now 24 is equals to 3x minus 3840 upon x. Take LCM over here. It becomes 3x square minus 3840 is equals to 24x. So our equation becomes 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equals to 0. Now you can see we can take 3 common over here. So I'll take 3 common. So 3x square minus 8x minus 31280 is equals to 0. Therefore our equation becomes x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equals to 0. Therefore this is your answer. Thank you.